The Baykar Akıncı is Turkey's most advanced high-altitude long-endurance and manned combat aerial vehicle UCAV developed by Baykar Defense. Unlike earlier drones such as the Bayraktar TB2, the Akıncı is designed with fighter jet-level strike capabilities, making it one of the most powerful drones in the world today. It is a twin-engine UCAV powered by Ukrainian-built turboprop engines AI-450T in early models and PD-2 in later versions. Akıncı can fly at altitudes of 40,000 feet, has an endurance of over 24 hours, and can carry a massive payload of 1,500 kilograms, far more than most drones in its class. The Akıncı's advanced avionics include satellite communication, AESA radar, electronic warfare systems, and artificial intelligence-assisted flight control, allowing it to perform missions that previously required manned aircraft. It can carry out strategic bombing, close air support, suppression of enemy air defenses, and reconnaissance with high accuracy. For weapons, Akıncı is compatible with a wide range of Turkish-made munitions. It can launch SOM cruise missiles, giving it standoff strike capability similar to fighter jets. It also carries precision-guided bombs like HGK, LGK, and JDAMs, smart micro-munitions MAM-L, MAM-T, and even air-to-air missiles such as Bozdogan and Geekdogan, making it capable of limited aerial combat. The Akıncı entered service with the Turkish Armed Forces in August 2021 and has already been used in live operations. It represents a major leap in drone warfare by combining the affordability of UAVs with the destructive power and versatility of modern combat aircraft. Another unique aspect of Akıncı is its AI-assisted systems. It can analyze data, identify targets, and coordinate with other drones and manned aircraft, creating a network-centric battlefield environment.